Welcome to this Phoenix Systems instructional video on how to change out the battery for your 2 gig sensor. Before we begin, you will need one CR2032 battery you can purchase at any local hardware store or battery store like Batteries Plus. Once you have the battery, you will need to verify that you have the system fully disarmed or in ready mode. After those steps, you will need to locate the sensor on the window or door as it is labeled on the panel. After locating the sensor, you will need to take it off the frame of the window or door. The sensor is held on by double-sided stick tape that you can easily replace as needed. Once the sensor is off, you will flip it over and push the back to the gap to release the cover of the sensor, revealing the battery. Replace the battery with the new one you have purchased and verify that the positive sign is facing you. Place the sensor back on the frame after those steps. When you are doing this step, the sensor should be pulling towards the smaller magnet. Congratulations, you have successfully changed out the battery in the sensor. If you have any questions, please contact our office at any time. Thank you for watching this Phoenix Systems instructional video.